Max loved building robots. He could fix toys, make lights blink, and build tiny machines. But there was one thing Max could not fix. His plants would not grow. No matter how much he watered them, they turned
You look a little
dry
sad.
and
Let's find you a new home. There you go, all tucked in. I hope you grow big and strong.
Max had an idea.
My robot garden plan is going to change everything. The robot will plant seeds and water the sprouts. I'll need some tools to build the robot. This wrench is perfect! Wow, the robot garden plan! So cool! Time to bring it to life. Let's get these parts together. Yes,
Max worked
it
very
works.
hard.
You're alive.
Soon, small robots stood in front of him. He felt proud. It was time to give it a go.
Okay, team, time to activate. Beep boop. Perfect. Let's build that garden.
The
Follow
robots
me.
began their work. They watered the soil carefully and made the dirt soft and fluffy. A tiny green sprout pushed its way out of the ground. Max could not believe his eyes. His garden was finally growing.
Wow, my garden is finally growing. It's so beautiful.
But soon, the robots tried to help too much. They gave too much water. They gave too much sun. The soil became too wet. Some plants began to droop. Max looked worried. Something was not right.
Stop! The water! The sun! No, that's too much! The plants are drooping!
Max
Turn
turned
it
off the robots. He
This is
sat
a
beside
mess.
his plants and looked closely. He touched the soil. It was very wet. He noticed some plants leaning toward the light. Max understood something important. Plants do not need too much. They need just enough.
Okay, time to rest. The soil is very
Max
wet.
changed the robot's settings. Now they
You need
moved
just enough
slowly.
water.
They watered gently. They gave soft sunlight. Day by day, the garden grew stronger. Flowers bloomed. Tomatoes turned red. Butterflies visited. Max felt happy and calm. Soon, other children came to see the garden. They were amazed. Max showed them how the robots worked, but he also told them something important. Robots can help, he said, but we must always pay attention.
Robots can help, but we must always pay attention. Wow, how do they work? See, they help plant the seeds. That's so cool! And we must always pay attention.
That night, Max looked at his beautiful garden. He felt proud, not just of his robots, but of what he had learned. He wrote in his notebook, "Next project, learn from nature first." He knew this was only the beginning. Max learned that technology is powerful, but listening and understanding are even more powerful. When we work with nature, not against it, beautiful things can grow.